On today's episode of Money Grip, we take the interior that we just put together back apart because I did things out of order because I'm a bonehead. We do things like paint the partial shelf, then put it in, and then put these seats in after we protect the paint on the floor. And then we have some serious stuff to do. Oh no. Well, that looks 800 times better. Cross that off the list. All right, time for the next mission. I am an idiot. To protect this paint, go. I didn't pull the wiring harness back. Oh, my butt. The door just closed on me, y'all. So now, the next thing is getting some airflow through his rig. We're really getting places. We got the harness all back. Got to tighten this ground. Finish running these pluggy boys. Pull this side off. Put the seatbelt in. After I put a piece of tape on there to protect it from this. All right, BRB. And hopefully by the time I'm back, I'll have how's my tripod? All the harness work is done. Now, this is getting annoying. Gashed the shit out of myself at work, but whatever. And yeah, now I'm going to put my shoes back on, put that parcel shelf in if the paint's dry on it, and then start taping the floors, and then go to put the seats in. What? Protective tape over the holes. Protect it. No metal on metal. And this is pro tape, so it's good. This thing's looking like a proper race car. Besides the dangly wanglies on there. I'm thinking about putting some like plates over this to cover it. Ooh, the color change. Ooh. ¿Y es donde? For the bote? You find him. Oh, dick. Wow. Check it, yo. Ooh, dang. Proper install. Dog, that's my fingertip. Not my fingertip, but... What? I can't hear broke right now. Is there a broke person here? Just kidding, I'm the broke person. I can't hear myself. It's another day. I didn't get to finish because I had to meet up with my boy to study. But I kind of did some things off camera. Damn, these crusty ass seats somehow made their way back in the car. And the black ass partial shelf. Let's go around to the other side. Look at this shit real fast. We'll hit the old yabba dabba doo switch. That shit look like a wet pussy. I'm about to lick up on it. Dog, I deadass haven't sat in my car in so long. Whoa. Oh, dick, there's no center console. Fuck. Wow. I don't remember the seat making this much noise before. What up, what up, what up? It's the dude that's always adjusting his hat in every selfie part of the video. Anyways, I'm back in the Prelude for like the first time in fucking forever. And I'm just gonna update you guys since this video is a little shorter. There's a few things I missed in the last video that I did off camera, like, so things I did, I sealed the firewall on the Prelude. I removed the heater box, the evaporator, and the blower from the engine bay. I touched up some parts I fucked up on the initial shaving of the engine bay, and I mounted the oil cooler, the intercooler, and the radiator. I think I recorded that. I can't remember, honestly. And I did my power steering delete. I actually recorded a video on it, but I didn't like it because I'm probably going to get rid of that eventually. And looks like I'm jerking off, but I'm playing with this shitty ass stock shifter. But anyways, fuck. Now that you guys are all caught up to speed, to end this video and recap it, I put the interior partially together. I gotta put the center console in. There's a big reason I didn't do that, and it involves the handbrake. I'm going to be doing a hydraulic handbrake. I'm waiting for it to show up. It's on its way. And I also fucking got a little frivolous and I bought a new shifter. So no more of this like stock plastic doodad guy thing. It's gonna be tits. So I'm hoping that both of those parts show up around the same time so I could do it all at the same time, put this back together at the same time. But yeah, so in the next video I record, I'll either be doing one of two things. I'll either be putting in the new shifter and handbrake and jacking the car up and finally bleeding the brakes. Or if I don't have the stuff, I got some steel inside and my trunk floor is destroyed from leaky taillights. So you know what that means. We gotta cut it. And there's also no fuel cell in this car. So some shit's going on in the back of that trunk, you know what I'm saying? Alright, like, subscribe. I have stickers. If you want a sticker, if you want to rep Money Grip, if you want to be king of the Preludes, if you want to brag to all your Prelude friends about your big dick energy H series, buy a Money Grip sticker. Help your boy out. Help your boy out. Let's do this, man. Like, subscribe, Money Grip. Ouch.